Good afternoon, folks. It's Brian Paragaming, Senior Trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. We're about a half an hour after the market closed, and I wanted to bring you this closing commentary as I promised. The stock market closing up 500 points on Timothy Geithner, Treasury Secretary Geithner's comments that they've got a bank bailout plan put in place. And boy, I don't necessarily think it's going to work, but it doesn't matter what I think. We have to respect the market, and the market told us, hey, they like it. They received it well. Stock market up 500 points. You have a breadth that's over 2,800 advancing stocks. You have decliners at less than 100 sitting here at 80. The Dow closing shy of 7,800. So let's go ahead and let's respect the tape action. We talked earlier on here above 803 on the S&P cash that we thought that it signaled even higher prices. Well, we certainly got higher prices. The market took off in a big way, and we think now that we're up into this zone that we talked about, somewhere into the 7,800 to 8,000 zone. We think above 8,000, you're probably headed to 83, 84, maybe even 8,500. I think the next target has to be now 880 on the S&P cash. That only makes sense. Go ahead, look at the charts. That's the next target. Now, that doesn't mean we have to play it from the long side up until that point. We're gonna look for long spots to play. We're gonna look for short spots to play. It all depends how certain stocks set up. So we're willing to play both sides of the market here, even though the market's going higher. This morning we got short DeVry, ticker symbol DV. On our pre-open comment, we talked about shorting Apollo, APOL. We didn't get our hands on Apollo. We weren't fast enough on that trade, but we did get short DeVry when the stock was still up 50, 60 cents. The stock turned down over, I forget what it was, down 80 or 90 cents at one time of the day. We took a point out of that. So look, if you can still make money shorting stocks even in up markets. It's just a matter of identifying the charts, identifying the setups. We did that this morning. We even talked about that on our pre-opening comment that Apollo looked like it could be short in the early morning strength. So, again, if you're looking to learn and become educated, take advantage of our 3-day free trial. It is free, no credit cards, no nothing. Just make sure you're selecting the 3-day free trial, because a lot of our members were free trial people, and all of a sudden now they're members because they really enjoy what we do. We bring daily live webcasts. We talk about technical analysis. We talk about the economy. We talk about whatever's on your mind. And a lot of those people that have just signed up here in the recent days have signed up simply because they took one of our swing trades that we had last week, which was an RKH short. They took 7 points out of it between Thursday and Friday, and now they become members. And 7 points on 100 shares would be $700. That basically pays for our service for 5 years. That's right, you heard me right. 5 years. They played 100 shares on an RKH short from, I forget even what it was, 53.80 down below. Was it 53.80 down? I think below 46 to 46.5. So yeah, it was like a little over 7 points we took out of that trade. So you know what? Take advantage of the 3-day free trial. That's all I can say. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. And you know what? For the next 100 people that sign up, we are going to send you out a free t-shirt. It's got our logo on it. It's got everything on it about us. I wish I had a t-shirt here to show you, but I don't have one handy right here. But I've just been informed that that's what we're going to do. We're just going to run a promotion for the next 100 people that sign up. We're going to go ahead and send you out a t-shirt. It's valued at over $20. It's not this cheap, flimsy t-shirt. It's really nice. So, you know what? You've got nothing to lose here but money and time. And if you're not making money in this environment, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go to our site. A lot of these great calls we've made on here over the past weeks and months. That's all I can say is take advantage of what we're giving you for free here, which is a 3-day free trial. I really don't have anything much else to add other than I'm going to give you 2 ideas that I think you can really start looking at here from the short side. Yes, that's right, the short side. Even despite me just saying here a few moments ago that I think we can rally up into that 83 to 8,500 area, we can work our way up there. I'm not expecting anything immediate, but who knows? We're going to do what the market tells us to do, and we're going to play some of the spots that we see. Now, of course, because you're not a member, you only get bits and pieces of what we're doing. But I'm going to share with you 2 ideas that I think are worth really looking at. One is AutoZone. If you take a look at AutoZone on the charts, AutoZone, let me just pull that up right here so I can reference the exact number that I wanted to tell you. If you look at AutoZone here on the chart that I'm looking at, you can see here it looks like it's got a crown top on it. It's coming down from overbought, and you got the gap on the stock coming at 142.17. I think that gap's going to get filled. I think AutoZone is a spot you can look at now shorting on any Any subsequent pushes back to the upside, I think that's going to be filled on that stock. I think AEM is now up and through the top of the Bollinger Band for the third day. Gold closing down, or it's trading right now down 1760. I talked about, gold. Hey, they snapped gold up on this whole Fed announcement, the quantum ease. Okay, big deal. I think gold is still going to falter. I still think gold's a short sale. Maybe we're in a trading range, but I don't think gold is anything spectacular to the upside, other than just maybe a small piece of your pie, if you want to put it that way. But I don't think gold's going to $2,000. Absolutely not. In fact, I am bearish gold, and I continue to be bearish gold until I'm proven otherwise. We've been short gold from close to $1,000. Gold hasn't been back to it. So again, I still am negative on gold. Gold down $17 right now. AEM closes up only 31 cents in the day. It's stretched. It looks like it's starting to roll around the stochastics. I don't like the volume, the volume trends on it. I'm bearish AEM here, and I'm going to look to be a short sell of AEM into any further strength into that 58.59 area. We got up to 57.33 today. I'm hoping AEM can gap up today or tomorrow, because I'm going to look to short that, and I'm going to look to be a short sell of AutoZone as well. Again, do your own due diligence. Look at your own charts. If you're not sure what to do, then again, go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial, become a member, start becoming educated, and most importantly, take back control of your financial future. We'll be back in the AM tomorrow morning with our pre-open comment. Have yourselves a great evening. Thanks for tuning in.